Hi everyone. This is the fourth episode of our series exploring what we can actually get out of free AI models. Previously, we had these models generate some fun Taco Tuesday menus. Everyone said the menus made them hungry. This week, we're taking it a step further. We're using those menus to build out full character profiles. We've got Matty and Soledad, who were built for a cozy romance, and Javi, who's written for a psychological thriller. As a bonus, I also had Gemini write a monologue intro for each of them so we can see how they sound. Before we dive in, a quick note: some intensive workshops coming up. You can grab those individually or as a bundle. Check the links below for the details. Let's get into it. First, I want to show you the prompt I used. It's a detailed one-shot prompt designed to avoid those generic AI tropes we all recognize. Instead of just asking for a taco shop owner, I'm asking the AI to focus on physicality and personality, specifically using the ocean scale for psychological depth. The core wound, finding the specific life events that shaped their current behavior. Contradiction, I'm pushing for sensory anchors and specific quirks that make a character feel like a real person who existed before the story started. The goal here was a portrait that feels grounded, not saccharine. Let's see how the models handled it.
Hi there, I'm Matty. People say I'm pretty laid back, unless you call me Mateo. Then I'll assume you're either my auntie or the health inspector. So yeah, welcome to La Revancha. We've got everything you could want around here. An arts district, loud neighbors, and good tortillas. I run everyone's favorite taqueria. I'm head chef, owner, and therapist to the salsa verde. If you're super hungry, do the al pastor. If you just want to pick me up, the mushroom barbacoa. I guess you want to know more about me. Well, I'm from El Paso. We moved around a lot. I really like it here in Portland. It's the first place I've stayed put long enough to learn my way around. The bandana? Yeah, it's a thing. My mom wore one like this when she cooked. If I'm half as good a chef as she was, I think I'll be all right. You'll notice I'll always remember your order. Well, I try. It's easier than remembering other stuff. Also, please don't call it taco. I'll still feed you, but I'll correct you while I do it. If you come in on a Tuesday and you're respectful, there's a secret taco. I won't tell you what it is. You gotta earn it. That's kind of my whole philosophy. So, what are you in the mood for? Something bright, or something that bites back?
Before we dive into the next character, I want to let you know about the upcoming I've Got a Notion intensive camp, writing Jane Austen fanfiction with Notion AI. Join this 3-week intensive AI writing course using Notion AI with Elizabeth Ann West, author of more than 25 JAFF novels, AI prompting queen, and Notion convert, as she takes you through harnessing Notion for everything from brainstorming and organizing to writing and author websites with Notion. Live workshops 3 times per week with notes, lessons, and everything you need to master writing with this versatile tool. Find out more in my video links or visit our website at future-fiction-academy.teachable.com.
My name is Soledad Mendoza, but in this neighborhood, people just call me Sol, or the lady with the rules. I am the owner of La Sombra de la Tortuga. It is a small place. We do not have neon signs. We do not have a marketing team. We have this kitchen, and we have my memory. I grew up in a kitchen much smaller than this one, a fonda on the border where the air always smelled of toasted cumin and dust. My mother taught me that a recipe is a contract. You do not break it. People ask me why I am so particular, why I weigh every gram of masa, why I inspect every plate before it leaves the pass. I do it because the world is full of noise. It is full of fast food and shortcuts. I am not interested in that. I am interested in what is real. I have spent 20 years building this sanctuary. I lost a lot to get here. I lost my parents. I lost my tolerance for nonsense. But I found something else. I found that if you make something perfect, people stop talking and just eat. That silence, that is my favorite sound. So, that is who I am. I cook, I clean, I remember. If you want to know more, you will have to come in and try the sopa. But please, don't ask for substitutions.
Before we dive into the next character, I want to let you know about the upcoming Romance Writing Camp Outline to Novel Intensive with the Narrative Physics Engine. Join this 3-week intensive romance writing course with Harper, author of 30-plus romance novels and AI prompting expert, as she takes you from idea to finished novel with anti-gravity, RaptorWrite, and other AI tools. Live workshops 3 times per week with notes, lessons, and everything you need to master romance writing with AI. Find out more in my video links or visit our website at future-fiction-academy.teachable.com.
45 degrees. That is the only angle for a cilantro leaf. You hack at it like you're clearing a jungle. You bruise the soul of the herb. I'm Javier. Most people around here call me Javi, usually when they're trying to talk me into an extra scoop of carnitas. I don't mind the regulars, the ones who know the difference between a real tortilla and the cardboard they serve at the chain down the street. But the tourists, they look at the mismatched turquoise tiles on my floor and think it's charming or boho. It isn't boho. It's a fortress. When I was 17, I watched a man I used to call Coach use a cutting torch to take apart my father's food truck for scrap. I learned then that if you don't bolt things down, if you don't triple lock the freezers and track every ounce of achiote paste, the world will find a way to dismantle you while you're busy being friendly. I like the smell of bleach at 2 a.m. It's the only smell that's honest. It says the day is dead, the germs are gone, and for 4 hours, I am the only person in this county who knows exactly where everything is. What I don't like? Change. Especially when it comes in the form of a health inspector's sedan pulling into the lot. My kitchen is cleaner than a surgeon's tray, but I still see those white shirts, and I start to smell the cutting torch again. Orders up. Don't touch the habanero unless you've got the constitution for it. I don't have time to call an ambulance today.
First, I want to mention the upcoming Spring Training Intensive, Romance Intensive, plus Writing Jane Austen Fan Fiction with Notion AI. Get both 3-week intensive courses. The bundle includes 3 weekly live sessions, notes, walkthroughs, and more during March and April. Master romance writing with AI with Harper and using Notion AI for writing a Jane Austen fan fiction novel. Find out more in my video links or visit our website at future-fiction-academy.teachable.com.